Making $20 an hour in 2026 feels like a constant uphill battle, especially when you're balancing warehouse shifts and a family. The ground is shifting. But what if the secret to breathing room isn't working more hours, but using AI to audit every penny? I'm showing you the ScissorMoney way to automate survival. Welcome to the guide that actually gets it. We're talking break room reality, not boardroom fluff. Today, we build your 10K mission from the ground up. Let's get to work. We're breaking down the April 2026 inflation shift and how to use AI to find hidden money in your paycheck that your bank completely missed. Every cent counts. Chapter 1, the new economic reality for warehouse labor. Let's start with the hard truth. The economic ground has shifted, and $20 is the new baseline. In April 2026, the inflation shift became permanent. $20 an hour is no longer a living wage. It's the absolute baseline for survival in logistics. If you're making this wage, you're on the front lines. Traditional budgeting apps were built for office workers with steady monthly salaries, not for families like ours. Today, we move from daily survival to long-term planning, from agentic budgeting and predictive alerts to optimizing every cent and building your career leverage. This is your 10K mission.